So I met someone at a visa application center, and the person was trying to pay someone for her flight to do her flight reservation, to do her hotel reservation. And then I was just astonished, like, and this person collected over like 40K to do these two things. And I was like, hey, like if you had told me, I would have helped you to do this. Okay, that's why I'm coming here to share this with you. See, let me tell you, these things are things that you can do by yourself. You can do it by yourself. If you have a phone, you can book your hotel reservation yourself. You save yourself that money, that 20K, that 30K that an agent is going to take from you to book this hotel reservation or flight reservation. You can use it to do something else. Okay, so now I was like, oh, like this money now, this person just paid this agent now, or this person to do this thing. The person is going to probably just use a little of his data and do this, and he's just gonna put this 40K in his pockets and all of that. So I was really, I was really concerned because at least that money could have done something better or something nice for her and all of that. So now, if you want to book flight reservation to any destination for your visa application, any destination that you're going to, be it where Morocco, any part of the world you are going to, you can actually do it yourself. Okay, you can do it yourself. And how do you do it? Head over to booking.com. Okay, if you're doing for hotel reservation, head over to booking.com. When you go to booking.com, or you go to the Play Store and download the app, which is booking.com, download the app and then install it on your phone. Then you open it, you launch it, open it, then just type in the destination that you're going to and the city, the destination you're going to, the country and the city that which you're going to, and also type in the dates that you want to travel. Then you will see the list of what uh co- um hotels that will come out, apartments, both shortlets, hotels, they will all come out, and you will see it. You will see the price. You have the option of pay, book now and pay later, or there are some that you have to pay immediately. But I'm trying to say that if you are applying for a visa, please don't pay. Just look for the option of what book now and pay later, because you're not sure if your visa is going to be approved or denied. So you wouldn't want to go and pay, and at the end of the day you're not able to get the visa and you'll be struggling to get your money back. Okay, so when you head over to booking.com, you can actually book hotels, you can actually reserve a hotel, and even if later you decide to change your mind or you're not giving the visa, you can go there and cancel. Okay, you can go there and cancel it. Or even if they give you the visa and you change your mind, you don't want to stay in that particular place anymore, you can actually kind of what cancel it, and maybe, yeah, cancel for free. So don't allow anyone. You can do all these things yourself and save this little money that you give to all these agents. You can save it. Okay, what about flight reservation? If you want to book a flight reservation, me, the one I normally use most times is Ethiopia Airline. Yes, Ethiopia Airline and Qatar Airways. Yes. So it depends on where you're going to. So you head over to their official website or you download their app. Yes. So if you want it easy, you can download their app. But if you don't have enough space on your phone like me, you can head over to their official website, and then from there you put in your destination. Put in your destination, the dates that you're going to travel, and the dates that you're going to return. Then just follow the process. It will take you to a place where you fill all your details, and after filling all your details, then the final stage is going to ask you if you want to pay it now or you want to book now and pay later. Usually it's this reservation is mostly 24 hours and all of that, but actually you can use it for your visa applications and all of that, instead of going to pay someone huge amount of money for you to um what I do, I the time that I did not know all of these things, I used to pay somebody. You imagine paying somebody, some even collect 60K to do these two things, something that you can just head over to your phone and you do it by yourself. Even appointments, that will be in my next video. I'll teach you how to get what appointment from any embassy. You don't need to pay any agents for all of these things. You can actually do it yourself, okay, and save yourself that money. That little money is something. Yes, it's something. Yeah, it's something. So don't waste it. Don't You can do these things yourself. Just go online if you have a phone. But if you don't have a phone, but I wonder who will not have a phone in this jet age and this global age. Okay, so that's it for it. So your next visa application, please do it yourself. Book your flight yourself, book your hotel reservation yourself, all for free, and cancel for free anytime you want to, and save yourself that cash. Okay.